everyone, myself Praveen Kumar Pandey. I am a PGT chemistry teacher in DWPS and now I am going to teach you about Markovnikov rule. Markovnikov rule is a topic of electrophilic addition reaction. In electrophilic addition reaction means first of all adding product is electrophile. Electrophiles which is electron deficit and nucleophiles are electron rich species. In Markovnikov rule, when unsymmetrical alkene like CH3CH double bond CH2, this is unsymmetrical alkene where the different number of carbon atoms are there from the double bond is known as unsymmetrical alkene, in which hydrogen halide like HBr is going to react, in which the attacking reagent like electrophile H plus and nucleophile Br minus. H plus will join the carbon which have the double bonded carbon which have the higher number of hydrogen, and bond will break like there will be a negative charge. Heterolysis will be there negative and positive. This positive charge carbon, the cationic carbon will join the bromine negative, and here we will get the CH3, CH, CH3 and here Br. We will get the 2 bromo propane. We'll get the 2 bromopropane in Markovnik rule. In case of anti-Markovnik rule, when unsymmetrical alkene CH3CH double bond CH2 treated with HBr hydrogen bromide, then H plus means electrophile, Br minus means nucleophile will going, matlab H plus will going to that double bonded carbon which have least number of hydrogen, means there will be a negative charge and this is positive. Bromine join the cationic carbon and hydrogen join the anionic carbon. We'll get the CH3 CH Br. This is the anti-Markovnik product, that is 1 bromopropane. So once again, Markovnik rule means when hydrogen bromide, hydrogen halide treated with unsymmetrical alkene, means hydrogen atom will electrophile will go into that double bonded carbon which have the higher number of hydrogen, and in case of anti-Markovnik rule, H plus means electrophile will go into that double bonded carbon which have the least number of hydrogen, means this is the case by which the formation of product takes place, and between these two the Markovnik product will be more stable because the secondary cation are there. This is primary cation which is less stable. Thank you so much. Thank you.